Z. Come along and sing with me. D is for dog, D, D, dog. D is for drum, D, D, drum. E is for elephant, E, E, elephant. E is for egg, E, E, egg. F is for fish, F, F, fish. F is for frog, F, F, frog. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. G is for goat, G, G, goat. G is for grapes, G, G, grapes. H is for hat, H, H, hat. H is for house, H, hatch, house. I is for ice cream, I, ice cream. I is for insect, I, insect. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. J is for juice, J, J, juice. J is for jam, J, J, jam. K is for kite, K, K, kite. K is for kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, a lion. L is for lamp, L, a lamp. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. M is for monkey, M, monkey. M is for moon, M, moon. N is for nest, N, nest. N is for nut, N, nut. O is for octopus, O, octopus. O is for orange, O, orange. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. P is for pig, P, P, pig. P is for pen, P, P, pen. Q is for queen, Q, Q, queen. Q is for quail, Q, Q, quail. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. R is for rainbow, R, rainbow. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. S is for sun, S, sun. S is for snake, S, snake. T is for tiger, T, T, tiger. T is for tree, T, tree. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. U is for uniform, U, uniform. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. V is for violin, V, violin. V is for volcano, V, volcano. W is for whale, W, whale. W is for watch, W, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. X is for Xmas tree, X, Xmas tree. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Y is for yellow, Y, yellow. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Z is for zoo, Z, zoo.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for boy, standing on his feet. C for cat, so cute and small. D for dog, loves to play with all. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming all day long. G for goat, eating grass. H for hen, walking on the grass. I for ice cream, cold and fun. J for jelly, jiggle everyone. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, roaring high. M for monkey, jumping around. N for nest, where birds are found. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, green and light. Q for queen, wearing her crown. R for rabbit, jumping up and down. S for sun, shining